Hello, my dear students. How are you? Today, I'm going to tell you about the chapter number second, and the book's name is the Geography, and the name of the chapter is Globe, Latitudes, and Longitude. And I will discuss with you the first 5 questions with you today. So, first question is first two answers of the questions are these are questions I will discuss with you. What is the true shape of the Earth, and what is the globe? So the answer of the both question you have given in this the first paragraph of the chapter number second. And what is the globe? Globe is a true model. True model. This is you have given here a model of the earth. और it means a miniature form. Miniature लघु रूप छोटे रूप में. अगर हम ट्रू शेप देखेंगे इसके अर्थ की तो अर्थ जो बहुत बिगर है बहुत बिगेस्ट है जिसे हम आपको दिखा सकते हैं. ये क्लियर करने के लिए इसको जो है क्योंकि ये हम जब अंतरिक्ष में जाते हैं तो वहां से जो हमें ट्रू शेप जो दिखती है अर्थ की वो हमें ऐसे दिखती है. तो उसे हम फिर से क्या बोलते हैं जैसे ग्लोब. इसको एक नाम दिया गया है जो आपको मिनिएचर फॉर्म जो है अर्थ की जो मिनिएचर फॉर्म है जो छोटा रूप है उसे हमने क्या नाम दे दिया. इसे में वी कॉल इट ग्लोब. तो व्हाट्स अ ग्लोब? Globe is a true model of miniature form of the earth which is given in the picture number 2. This is your figure number 2.1. Clear? So and you can understand its a true meaning in the second video, that is I have already uploaded in the YouTube in Hindi. Your second question here, what is the true shape of the earth? True shape of the earth you have given here. Our planet earth is not a sphere. You know what's earth is also planet. And when how many planets are there in the universe? There are only 8 planets, and I have named. What are the names? You already know the name of the planets, so you know that the earth is also a planet. And you know the earth is not a sphere. Earth is not a sphere. What is shape? What is sphere? Like this shape you have given here. This is a shape. This is a spherical shape. This is a spherical shape. So what's the true shape? I will show you in the picture. What's the true shape of the earth? This is the true shape of the earth. This is the true shape. So it is ellipsoid. How does earth what is the true shape of the earth? That is ellipsoid. SOID. This is ellipsoid. So what is the true shape of the earth is? That is ellipsoid. It means it is slightly given here. It is slightly flattened at north and south poles and a wall in the middle. So what is the true shape of the earth? Our planet earth is not a sphere. It is slightly flattened. Flattened means from at north end like this. This is the true shape. You can see here in the picture. This is flattened at. This is flattened. This is your north pole. NP means north pole. Here this is your south pole. This is south pole. It is flattened at north and south pole and work at center. This is a work at the middle, in the middle. Work in the middle. This is true shape of the earth. And what is? So I hope that 2 question now is clear for you. What's globe? And this is globe, and this is the true shape of the earth. Now what the third question? Because here the what is the latitudinal value of the Tropic of Cancer? Latitudinal value. And here's also same question that we will discuss now. I will tell you. We will discuss now the third and the C and D question number. what is the latitudinal value of the Tropic of Cancer and what are the 3 heat zone of the Earth? So we can discuss from here. This is very clear for us. Now see this picture. And these are called important latitude and their heat zones. First of all is torrid zone. Next one is temperate zone. And last one is fritz zone. I have already discussed all the 3 points in the another video in the Hindi. इन तीनों पॉइंटों को टॉरिड जोन जिसे हम उष्ण कटिबंध बोलते हैं, उष्ण कटिबंध हिंदी में, टेम्परेट जोन जिसे हम शीतोष्ण कटिबंध बोलते हैं, एंड थर्ड वन इज द फ्रिट्ज जोन जिसे हम शीत कटिबंध बोलते हैं. ये तीनों ही बातें आपको हिंदी की वीडियो में डिस्कस कर ली गई हैं. समझने के लिए आप हिंदी वीडियो भी देख सकते हैं. सो वी हैव गिवन हियर द 3 जोन. नंबर 1 that is torrid zone, temperate zone and fritz zone. You can see here is also you given the temperate zone. You can see here written south temperate zone. So you can understand what is why he is given the south temperate zone. So I have already discussed with you in the video that is Deshantar and Akshans Vrit. I've also already uploaded this video. So you can see, you can understand in the Hindi video what is the difference between, what is the parallel between the latitude and longitudes. So you can see here, this I clear for you that this is your equator, and the northern side of the equator is called the northern hemisphere. This is called the northern hemisphere, and lower part of the equator, that's called the southern part of the, this is called the southern hemisphere. This is your northern hemisphere, this is your southern hemisphere. So when we point out Tropic of Cancer, which is given here, this is given out 23.5, and I will just write here n means in the northern hemisphere. Same but the Tropic of Capricorn, so here you have written here 23.5 s means the southern hemisphere. So you can understand, it means this part is called the northern hemisphere and this part is called southern hemisphere. So what is the question? Question is that what is the longitudinal value of the Tropic of Cancer? So this is your, this one answer is 23.5 degree, and n means northern hemisphere, and you can see here this is your the longitudinal, sorry, latitudinal value of the Tropic of Cancer. This is your 23.5. And for the fifth question, what is the fifth question? What's the parallel between the latitude and the meridians of the parallel of latitudes and the meridians of longitude? I have already uploaded the detailed, I will discuss in detail about the parallel of latitude and meridian of longitude in the another video, that is I have uploaded in Hindi. So you can go through that video, and I hope that you will clearly understand the parallel of latitude and the meridian of longitudes. So thank you so much. Have a great